Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I just wanted to say like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about the market? What do you think about Amazon and the new split that happened, which is absolutely insane? I love it. But I did want to go into Amazon just because it is it's essentially the most popular ticker today, right? And I wanted to see. I threw it on my algo, and I wanted to see if there's any pullback that it had, and it actually did. It actually gave back a June 17th call for 130 strike. Oh, whoops, actually the wrong way. For 130 strike right here at a $9.6 million volume flow. So this is probably one of the biggest strikes in volume that I've seen in Amazon for a very long time. And it's absolutely insane that this one right here, this one actually has, a pretty good, and it just got released. I'm assuming it just got released today because of the split. But at peak high, it was worth $380 today, 7:40 in the morning. So that means that 740 peak high, like around 120. Yeah. So it definitely looks like it can get back there, but it's the most popular option with the highest volume in it. From money. So $9.6 million in volume into that 130 strike expiring next week. So absolutely insane. I think it's one of the highest volume flows that I've seen for Amazon and for, I think, tech in general, especially something expiring so soon. So if anybody's interested in buying anything from Amazon, it seems like the 130 strike expiring next week seems like the way to go. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.